Dreams of exes and their meanings. Part 1. If you dream that you and your ex is hugging and crying together, it means that the relationship will rekindle and you and your ex will be happy. You dream that your ex is kissing you, they are still deceiving you. You dream that you and your ex is together naked, it means that you both are going to be disgraced.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
If you see your ex feeding you in a dream, be careful. Anyone feeding you in a dream is not good. Eating in a dream is a curse being planted. If you dream that you and your ex are laughing with each other, it means that hatred or sadness is brewing. You see someone else stepping into or sitting in the passenger seat of your ex's vehicle, it's a sign that they have moved on. If your ex says, "I'm coming," in a dream, beware, they are cooking something up in the spiritual realm. If you break up with someone but you keep seeing them in your house in dreams, beware, especially if they seem more aware than how people in dreams usually are. Heartbreak can turn a seemingly innocent person into a villain, and they often turn to witchcraft for revenge or to get you back, so they'll visit you in your dream using a spell. Learn how to pray for protection and sever ungodly soul ties after every breakup.
Like, share, and follow for more.